Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have more Chanel holiday sets for you. First, I'd like to review the Chanel Les Symbols collection. I feel like we've all really been waiting for this. And if you guys felt that the highlighter in the holiday collection was too glittery, which it is quite a chunky, glittery type of highlighter. This one here is not. Now, this is an oversized illuminating face powder. If you remember last year, Chanel did release an oversized face powder as well. And this was a part of the No. 5 collection. It had the beautiful No. 5 perfume bottle in the middle, and the shade was very beautiful. It also did come out with different shades, and this year as well they came out with 3 different shades for the illuminating powder. So we have a warm gold, a precious coral, and a pearly white. These illuminating powders retail for $95 each. Now, I personally really fell in love with the precious coral shade. I felt like the pearly white, even though pretty, I didn't feel like I was going to use it very much. I felt like the eyeshadow palette already had that pearly white type of shade, and I just felt like I could definitely pass up on that one. As for the warm gold, even though pretty, I did feel it was very close to last year's highlighter that I purchased. So I really didn't feel like it was necessary for me to purchase that shade. However, for those of you that have deeper skin tones, that gold will look stunning on you. Honestly, what I felt was very unique about this collection is you can purchase it in 4 different type of symbols, and you can choose whichever shade you want. Now again, I chose the precious coral, and the symbol that I chose is this gorgeous star symbol. The reason why I chose this symbol is because I don't have anything like this yet in my collection. I did absolutely love the Camilla one. I was almost going to purchase that, but I do have a Camilla kind of motive highlighter in my collection, even though it is small, but I still do have that. I just don't have this at all, so I felt like I did want to get this one instead. Here's a close-up of what the highlighter looks like. And I do think that this can also really double up as a very nice blush. I'm going to swatch this right next to the highlighter from last year. Here's both highlighters. The top one is last year's highlighter in Or Rose, and the bottom one is the new Precious Coral. Now, this is the regular type of Chanel package with the white CC logo, unlike last year's, which was a Christmas type of collection, so they have it in the gold CC. I haven't actually tried this yet, so I am going to pick up just a little bit. And I'm going to use it as a highlighter, just in the top half. I don't know that my camera is going to pick it up. I definitely think this can be used as a blush though. I kind of put this highlighter as a blush, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It really is so flattering. It's very pretty. I would have to say I do prefer this illuminating powder over the holiday highlighter. It's really pretty. It really is. And I love this shade. Very beautiful. I can see myself also using this during the summertime as well. You also want to swatch the highlighter from the holiday collection. And let's put this one right next to the coral. Yeah, this one definitely has a lot of glitter to it. Here we have all 3 highlighters. So again, the top one is the Or Rose from last year. Middle is the new Coral highlighter. And then the bottom is the new highlighter from the holiday collection. This year I caved in and I purchased one of the holiday sets. These are always so popular. Every single year they sell out. And the one that I chose this year is the Always Brilliant, the Lip Gloss Trio. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, I actually don't own any of Chanel's lip glosses. I did in the past, but I never purchased them again. So I felt that this set is the perfect time for it. Now, this one does retail for $113. And it includes this holiday gift bag, and inside we have the 3 lip glosses. These always sell out for a reason. They are beautiful. For anyone that loves makeup and definitely that loves Chanel will love to receive this as a gift. This set comes with 3 of the top seller lip glosses. So the first one is in 722, and this is a beautiful type of nude lip gloss. I have to say I do like the applicator to these. It is quite large, so I was really surprised. It's different from what I remember it to be. This one is number 722, and this would be gorgeous just on its own. Next we have number 712, and this is a beautiful gold shade. This would be beautiful as a topper. And that is number 712. And finally the set comes with number 119. This is also a beautiful shade. Definitely glitter wise, this has the most glitter. Here's all three. And as you can see, number 119 is the most pigmented out of all three. All of them are very wearable and so pretty. I can understand why this set constantly sells out every year and is the most popular. There are other sets. I'm going to leave links for everything down below with prices, so if you guys are interested in these, definitely go ahead and click on the links below. They do sell out very quickly, but keep trying the website. They always do come back in stock. Last but not least, how could I not get the Coco Mademoiselle Coffret set? I love Coco Mademoiselle, and I knew that this year I was going to get the perfume, so when I saw this set, I felt like it was the perfect set to purchase. This makes just the perfect gift. It does come with the Coco Mademoiselle body oil, and this is a full size body oil, and then also a smaller size in the Coco Mademoiselle. For those that love Coco Mademoiselle, you will absolutely love this set, and honestly I feel like it's even a nice gift for yourself. Now this full size body oil is so nice. I don't currently own this, but it looks like it's a regular perfume, and then when you spray it on, the oil does come out and it feels so smooth, so luxurious, smells like Coco Mademoiselle, and it really lingers on the body. I've been using this for a couple of days. I usually apply this on my hands, kind of anywhere where I want to apply the perfume, and then I follow up with the perfume, and the perfume lasts for so many hours, pretty much all day. I just feel like I smell like Coco Mademoiselle. Again, the set comes with a full size of the body oil and a 50 ml bottle of the Coco Mademoiselle. This is the Eau de Parfum, so it's not the intense, it's just the regular Eau de Parfum. And such a lovely fragrance. This is my all-time favorite fragrance. I also really love the attention to detail with the sets this year. I think this coffret is so beautiful. Now I know that Chanel always creates these elaborate type of sets, but usually they're so expensive. Dior does as well, but with this one I feel like even though it's expensive, it does come with a full size of the body oil and then a 50 ml of the fragrance. So for $220, I feel like it is a good buy, especially if you love Coco Mademoiselle. And that's it from my Chanel holiday collections for this year. I will link everything down below. All the prices will be down there as well, so be sure to utilize those links. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for you, so that if you are interested in any of these sets, then you can kind of lead yourself in the right way as to what you want to purchase. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. That's where I upload all new releases first, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.